and welcome to Dr. Mennicke, CEO of Loepfe Brothers. The year 2020 is coming to an end, and you're in the position of Loepfe CEO since 8 months now. So, new company, new industry, and on top of that, Corona pandemic. How has this new challenge been for you?
Martina, first of all, it has been great having you as a colleague. And secondly, it has been good onboarding during this time because actually, on the one hand, I was able to have really deep dives with people in this company who were actually not traveling. Secondly, I was able to have some time to analyze the facts and figures that we have on hand. And thirdly, we all got to use MS Teams or other instruments to engage with our external stakeholders. However, on the other hand, there was the big downside that I was not able to meet people physically in person. In particular, it took sometimes a few months until I was able to meet my colleagues. And in particular, on the external stakeholders, such as our customers, our agents, and for example, also our OEMs. It was really difficult sometimes to meet up, but I was able to make some progress with them and at least meet some of them. So overall, it had some big advantages, also some disadvantages, and we need to make the best out of this time and take our time to do our homework and come out of it in an even more strong way.
What do you think the textile industry does well, and what do you believe the industry is struggling with?
This industry is massive. So this is the first thing you recognize once you join this kind of company, and in particular Loepfe, because you are engaging with so many different aspects of textiles, which all are made for just one purpose, and this is equipping mankind with textiles, in particular ourselves, for example, as consumers, but also the industries, such as automotive with airbags, or also face masks that we need to use these days to protect ourselves. So lots of our sensors is about safety. And from that point of view, I would say this industry, with all its history and a lot of the technology, is quite mature in a way. However, on the other hand, there is still a lot of space. For example, when it comes to sustainability, there is still quite a bit to be done. And also when it comes to digitalization, using all these data, kilometers of yarn, and these many square kilometers of textiles, thousands, millions. So all of this needs to be also traced in a sustainable way, and the data can be used for future. So all of this comes together with a lot of technological advantages on the sensor side, and I think on that side we can still do quite a lot in this industry with Loepfe products.
Ralph, thank you so much for taking your time. Finally, what are your aspirations for the upcoming holiday season and the new year?
Well, first of all, I wish all of us some breath, some relaxation time, to not think too much about COVID and be with our beloved ones. And I think the new year is going to bring us a lot of challenges. It's going to bring changes, and most importantly for us, these are opportunities to take to come out of the crisis in a strengthened and even more vigorous way.
Thank you so much, Ralph.
Thank you, Martina.